Guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and we are again at masterclass for technique expert, all-in-one technique expert. You've been watching different videos, different promotional videos, and the full course is available on my website, that is www.aqsnooker.com/courses, or you can search it on our web. So now today I'm going to give you an extraordinary performance, or the outcome of extraordinary performance of our rest shot, because this is the thing that every player suffers all over the world, and they are unable to run their cue straight on the line of aim, or where they're intending. They're not hitting well, they're either going this way, that side. So this video is going to show you how you can rectify your cueing problem with the rest, and how you can play better shots, better practice with rest shots. So let me start with this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my YouTube, follow my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And if you want to buy this product, my numbers are there. Please send me a message. You will receive. We are delivering it all over the world. So this is our almost 8th video. Probably more than 8, but for masterclass, this video will be our 8th video, and we are learning how to use rest with the help of all-in-one technique. So the first thing that is most important is to understand the line of aim of this predetermined line of aim on our technique expert. And what you can do, you can adjust the rest accordingly, and make sure you have an exact distance of the bridge hand and your cue the same way that you've been taught in different, and then adjust your weight. That's it. Adjust your weight and start running your cue on that line of aim, and see whether you are going offline. You're offline, then you can adjust your weight balance. As I said, this is all-in-one technique expert, so this will correct you automatically. So if you can correct it the same way as I'm mentioning, and if you can finish it like this, like that, like this. So you need to first work on your cueing on a blank all-in-one technique expert, and make sure you check your delivery. You see if your arm is steady enough, and how much follow-through are you playing your shot with. We have a scale over here. You can check it, that whether it is a good shot or a bad shot, or was it a snatchy shot, I would say. So make sure you deliver it well, deliver it slow, develop your muscle memory. And so once you are done with the normal cueing, you can place your white ball and start doing the same practice, and adjust the distance of your white ball and your cue, and then start practicing on this one, you see. And then you can start playing your shot slowly with different pace, and see if you can deliver your cue straight on the line or not. So to start with the slow, and then start improving your pace. So this is the step 1. So once you are confident enough to run your cue on the predetermined line of aim, then you can start placing your yellow ball on the yellow spot, and then the white ball on the white spot. And then make sure you keep follow the process. Adjust your white ball, try to place it in the center, but it does not matter. You can have few centimeters difference, so you can always adjust your rest, and then you can start doing your cue, okay, like this. And then once you are confident, and then you can start hitting your shot. Start with the follow shot, stun shot, or even a screw shot. And then once you're confident with the yellow shot, you can move your ball on the green spot, and then do the same practice. And then with the brown spot, then with the blue spot, and then with the pink spot. And once you are done with all the balls, all the color balls that are available on the top of this technique expert, it's time to move a bit further on a different difficult level. So you are done with all the colors on the top of the technique expert, then it's time to move a bit to the difficult level that is off this technique expert. And then it's time and test your cueing, whether you are hitting straight or not. So make sure you deliver your cue straight as you were delivering when the balls were on the top of this technique expert. And then start playing this shot 100 times, 200 times. Again, as I said earlier, that playing a shot 100 times or 200 times is not enough. Snooker will require thousands of shots to make your muscle memory accurate. So once you are done with the support of technique expert and you have developed a decent muscle memory, then you can adjust a ball away from this technique expert, and then you can adjust it with this laser that will be included in the package, and then you can adjust it, and then you can start playing your shot in the center. So this is the most uh, easiest way and fastest and quickest way to learn your cue running straight on the rest. So with the help of laser, you can adjust technique expert with the object ball away from the technique expert, and then again you can place your white ball, and this laser is included. We have incorporated technology in this one, so you will learn how good this technique expert is, and actually it is a complete self doctor kind of a thing, self corrector for a snooker player. So we're working on rest. Then again, you can place your white ball on the spot, and then you can start hitting the ball. Then you can adjust your rest, and then start hitting your pot and make sure that you hit it in the center of the ball. You can see how quickly I moved the rest, so you can see the ball running over uh, this laser guide. Now you can understand how good and helpful gadget this snooker all-in-one technique expert is. You can, once you're done with one corner, then start with the green spot, with the other, increase the distance with the other angles, with the most difficult parts, with the rest shot, and this will help you all your rest issues. This will guide you. This will give you confidence and an exact holding of your cue, like developing your muscle memory on the spot. So this is all about improving your game in less time, less effort, with an effective tool that is technique expert. You can order it from all over the world. We are delivering it all over the world. My numbers are there. Send me a WhatsApp message or call me or email us through our website, that is aqsnooker.com. And this is again an 8th video of our masterclass for AQ Snooker Technique Expert. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment or send me a WhatsApp messages and share it if you are serious about it, and maybe 4 or 5 guys can buy it together, and then they can all use it. In fact, a club should have one, and they should be facilitating other people to have this one, and they can use it on their practice tables. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.